Tapos nasa cellphone pati.
Maigit, nagkanin ang kanina. Kaya pala nagkanin.
Isang magandang hapon po sa ating lahat, na kagalang-galang na punong guro, Sister Jean Lepalda, mga guro at gawani, mga magulang at tagapag-alaga, mga kamag-aral, at higit sa lahat, Most Reverend Bishop Eugenius L. Cañete, Reverend Monsignor Erdel Lagda, Reverend Father Gabriel S. Vilipanye, Chair Guest Speaker, Ms. Noela O. Martinez, isang taus-pusong pagbati sa inyong lahat. Ngayong araw ay isang napakagandang yugto ng ating buhay. Hindi sa ating mga mag-aral, para sa ating mga pamilya, sa ating paralan, at sa komunidad na patuloy na sumusuporta sa atin. We gather here not just to celebrate the fruits of our hard work and perseverance, but also to honor the power of education and to change lives and shape the future. This journey, our journey of growth and learning, has been filled with ups and downs, doubts and discoveries, trials and triumphs. We face difficult lessons, embrace challenges, and push the limits of our minds and hearts. We've shown this resilience, creativity, and spirit collaboration in everything we've shown. But, more than just academic achievements, we learned life lessons, how to stay strong in difficult times, how to adapt when things change, and how to continue growing as individuals. We made real friendships, built meaningful relationships, and contributed to the vibrant life of our community. We learn not just from books and lectures, but from each other, from experience, and from the world around us. At sa puntong ito, hindi magiging kumpleto ang ating pagdiwang kung hindi natin kikilalanin ang mga magulang at tagapag-alaga kasi ang unang guro, unang tagahanga at unang sandalan. Nanay, tatay, mama, papa, mom, dad. Maraming salamat po. Thank you for your sacrifices, your endless encouragement, and your unconditional love. Hindi man namin ito nasasabi araw-araw, pero